Well, it is package day once again. What package? I have no idea. What is inside it? Don't have a clue. So I'm on the way to pick it up. This is a mystery. Like life itself. Like life itself. Come join me in a journey to pick it up. What's this? It is package day. I love package days. And what is in this box? I have no freaking clue. This is a mystery box from the one and only heathencreations.com. So, should we open this bad boy? But how should I open it? And of course, on live from Heathen Creations. So, this is where to start. I need to be careful. Don't play with knife, kids. Stay in school. This worked. I have no idea what is in this. And this video is brought to you by Heathen Creation.com, where there is something for everybody, Vikings and Valkyries and everyone between. So this is, I'm quite excited. Oh, why did I sound British? I'm quite excited. Lot of stuff. Lot of plastic. I'm not gonna try to cut my finger off. I mean, I have 10 of them, so that's fine. No, it's not fine. I'm a magician. I cannot cut any finger off. Ish. God damn it. So I think, and of course, my phone decided to die out of battery. But I want to thank Kayla and Joe for this amazing package. I've cut everything. I haven't checked what is inside. I'm gonna close this one before I cut more fingers off. But I still have my 9.5 finger on. Not kidding, I still have 10. Small ones. But I want to thank Kayla and Joe at Heathen Creations for sending me this package. It is a mystery box. It is something that I have no idea what is inside. And all their merch is amazing. It's, for example, this hoodie. It is so cool. So, should we start? All right. I'm so strong. So let's start with the unboxing. Holy Christ. Heads up, guys. What? This is. Head up, guys. T-shirt. Looks really good. Oh. There's something that I love. It's one of my favorite things. It is the Heathen Creation beanie. And I have a gray one. Now I have a green one. It keeps you warm really well. These are my go-to things when I go outside. I just love them so much. And there's one thing that I think it is for my dotter. Pink Heathen Creation beanie. No, balaclava. She will love this. She will. Should I get? No, I don't. Okay, I'm gonna give it to her. Don't want to, but I will. Another hat with a folding. I'm gonna be warm. They're comfortable as hell. I love them. Why is the word stolen from me? Bandanas. 1, 2 bandanas. The Black Heathen Creation balaclava. Amazing. I love those balaclava. I've been using them a lot last winter. Another different. They look different, so they have different. And this is the pink one. I love the pink one. There's so much stuff in there. This is... I'm gonna wear this a lot. Awesome hoodie with a Berserker logo on it, picture. He looks like me when I think about it. Or Joe. Joe, is that you? Just wondering. Simi. I have. This is amazing. I have no idea what it's in. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna wait with the boxes. Oh my freaking god. I got keychains. Love those keychains. Heathen Creation. I have one on my backpack when I'm traveling. So, here are some special. It's just one of each. Nothing else in the world. One of each. Joe has been, he never told me what is inside the box, but he gave me a hint that it would be something custom made. Oh my god. Custom made sweater with Heathen Creation axis on the front. I just want to say, you guys, you are awesome. And Heathen Creation on the back. This is the only sweater in the world. Oh my god. This is just amazing. And a t-shirt. The only t-shirt in the world. With the Heathen Creation axis at the front. And the logo on the back. Wow. You guys, you are just... I'm speechless. They are amazing. Oh my god. I'm so gonna wear this with pride. I'm speechless. They look amazing. Do you see this? This is custom made by Kayla at heathencreations.com. It is just, and with golden print. Wow. They are, you are amazing, guys. Thank you so much. You are, these are just freaking, you're freaking amazing. I love you guys so much. Okay, it's time for, I have 3 boxes, other boxes. I'm speechless. I had fun. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. That doesn't say semi. Oh my god. So this is Heathen Creation tumbler. I know Kayla, and Kayla knows that I love her tumblers. I have one. I have this one here. Wait. This is my go-to tumbler that I've been using for Berserker since I bought it. So this is the Heathen Creation one. I'm gonna open this one last. So in this one here it is, I have no idea. What? No way. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me. A water bottle. Oh my god. No freaking way. Now I'm kind of stressed to open the last box. Oh my god. This is... I'm speechless. I'm totally speechless. Heathen Creation tumbler, fire, skull, water bottle. Okay. I'm gonna, and of course, straws and cleaning brushes. Okay, I'm gonna open the last one. I'm gonna move this way. Because it says my name on it. I have no idea what it is. Okay, it's a tumbler, I know that. I'm gonna close my eyes. No, wait, I'm not gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna put the Heathen Creation hat over my eyes. I cannot see anything. I hope I didn't miss the box. Can you see this? I have no idea what this is. You saw it first. Okay, I'm gonna take the hat off. No freaking way. Oh my god. No way. This is amazing. So, there's a story behind this one. I'm gonna show you a little bit better. Heathen Creation logo. So, the story behind this one. I did this design. It's a Roman. Then there are samurai there. It's all kind of warriors. I did this design for Kayla and Joe. And something for Kayla to make for Joe. Oh my God. I am out of words. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my God. This is amazing. This is, I'm out of speech. There's so many things in here. 2 tumblers, amazing designs. Well, 1 amazing design, 1 my design. Fire school water bottle. Oh my God, it looks so good. Hats. I won't be cold this winter. I love those hats. I love it. I have more than one. The balaclavas and the bandanas. I love that. Wow. And one of a kind sweater. Can you see this? Wow. Made by Kayla at Heathen Creations, by the way. And I am speechless. I am. I would be warm. Thank you so much, heathencreations.com, Kayla, Joe, for this amazing merch. It is amazing. It is. And I'm speechless. I am totally speechless. If you want amazing merch, go to heathencreations.com and buy everything. Just get everything on the store, because their merch is just unique. It is comfortable. It is, you look good in it. And I'm not supposed to shake the table. This is just, and I forgot the pink balaclava. My daughter will love this. So my daughter, I bought a blanket, and my daughter stole it from me. So they sent her another blanket. So she will have her own blanket. Keychains. I'm speechless. Totally speechless. This is just amazing. Un momento. So if you like the things that you saw, you can contact them at heathencreations.com or just buy from the store. I want to thank you, Joe, Kayla, for everything. And there are a lot more on the Heathen Creation website. You can buy hoodies, t-shirts, tank tops. If you like things that are made of metal, you can go to Forge on the website. You can buy kitchen knives, you can buy signs, you can buy just whatever. If you're a mechanic, electrician, plumber, whatever, you can buy t-shirts with that, some pictures on it that is, yeah, I'm a mechanic or I'm a plumber. So wow. So go to heathencreations.com, buy stuff there, because you will have good quality merch. My favorite that I've been using the longest is the tumbler. It's my favorite, keeps your drink cool for a long time. I always put ice in it with my water. I love this hoodie. I have a black Heathen Creation hoodie that it is really warm. It keeps you warm the whole day if it is cold outside. And there are a lot more that you can buy from them. I don't remember everything. So go check them out. And also if you sign up for the newsletter, you can get a discount on your first order from the Heathen Creations. So sign up for the Heathen Creations newsletter. There are probably more stuff coming soon, hopefully, because oh my god. And you can follow them on Instagram. And also, if you like the tumblers, go to the Turtle Cool Design on Instagram, where you can see more designs. And also follow Infinity Design on. I'm hoping that I'm not talking with my ass right now. Go to Turtle Cool Designs on Instagram. All right. And there is a link on the Instagram to the Infinite Design. There is more designs there. So heathencreations.com is the website. Heathen Creations. Apparel, Heathen Creations Apparel. Sorry, my English isn't my first language. On Instagram, Turtle Cool Design on Instagram. And there are a lot of things going on there. Also, and you can choose if you want to buy a hoodie, t-shirt, whatever. And this is, I need a bigger closet. And thank you so much for this amazing box with everything in it. It is it's a lot. And it's, I have no idea what to say anymore. Just go to heathencreations.com. Get this. The tumblers, whatever. Turtle Cool Design, get tumblers. Whatever. Because you are worth it. Who is watching? I'm gonna be the coolest kid in the neighborhood. Finally, after 37 years, I can be one of the cool kids. So thank you so much, once again.